In this video, we will be discussing about the length of a line segment and midpoint. Line segment. So basically, first things first, we need to review first, or we need to recall the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is m is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2 y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. So basically, this is just the midpoint formula. On the other hand, to be able to find the length of a line segment, we can say that the distance or the length, and just say distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So these are the two formula that we need to recall to be able to be good in this topic. Now let's start with one problem. Okay, suppose we have this given problem. The point M, 3 halves, negative 11, is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P, negative 7, 4, and Q, A, B. So we are asked to find the value of A and the value of B. So as you can see on top, the midpoint formula is only x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. However, in this given problem, this is already a deeper part of the midpoint formula topic. So here, we are asked to find the value of A and the value of B given only one point. So the only given point is the 7, 4, and another given is the midpoint. So what we're going to do is we will be using the midpoint formula to be able to answer this. So we can say we're going to substitute it in the given. That becomes negative 7 plus A over 2, and then 4 plus B all over 2. So that would be equal to 3 halves and negative 11. So this is using our midpoint formula. And this one, this is our midpoint. This is the given midpoint. Now, if we're going to equate the x coordinates, so we can say that equating x coordinates. Okay, so we're going to equate our x coordinates. That would be -7 plus a over 2 is equal to 3 halves, because remember, this is your x, this is your y, this is the x, this is the y. So that's why the x's will be equated to the midpoint of the x also. Now, if we're going to simplify this, we're going to evaluate this one. We're going to have -7 plus a, that would be equal to 3. Just do cross multiplication. Okay, that will be equal to -7 plus a is equal to 3. Or you can multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, or if you want the longer one, you can also do cross multiplication with this one. Okay, that will give us -7 plus a is equal to 3. In the end, we can say that the a here is equal to 10. So we already got the value of a. So next thing that we need to do is that we're going to equate the y coordinates. So this is just the x coordinates. So let's equate the y coordinates. So let's do this on the other side. So you can say that is equating the y coordinates. That would be 4 plus b all over 2 is equal to -11. So again, it's just from the first things that we did. So this is the y, and this is also the midpoint of the y. Let's continue. So if we're going to have cross multiplication here, cross multiply, so that would be 4 plus b is equal to -22. So simplifying this, we can say that our b is equal to -26. This is the value of b. Hence, or therefore, we can say that the a is equal to 10 and the b is equal to -26. So this is the first problem for the midpoint.